got the Bonnell 775 MX out on the hills today. We're up in up at the goat farm, just east of Perth. City's like right over there, top of the hill. I'll just run you through a few upgrades if you missed my unboxing video. So I did do the pedals only because I like the color. I threw on the ODI plate, just AliExpress, a couple of bucks. Also put on this mudguard, AliExpress, a couple of bucks as well for that. Definitely needs this one, especially today. It's out a bit wet out here today. And of course, had to throw on a bell. She's silent, so I needed a bell. Just the first ride today on this one, so we'll just take it easy. I did go the size medium too, if you guys are wondering. I'm 174 centimeters. I would have gone a small if that was an option. But happy with the medium. So yeah, I'll take it easy today. We'll do a few trails, hit a few jumps, and just try and get a feel for the bike. Start off, hit this small line first. Give this. Oh. Oh gee, it's fucking rutted. Another line, little jump, loop. What do we got? First time hitting it, I don't know how rutted it is. Oh. Skill section. Oh. Seesaw. Oh, another jump line. Look at these kangaroos here. Hey, Australia. Just on the mountain bike trails. Alright, this is a little flowy trail. Not too bad at all, this one. Just for the nice warm up, downhill section. No jumps, just lots of berms, lots of pea gravel, so it does get slippery, so watch out for that. And I also haven't done it for a while, so who knows what ruts have come up now. Also, always kangaroos out here. They normally like this trail. Oh, there's a little jump. Oh, watch out for that. Bit sketchy. Big old stick hanging out. Take your arm off. These brakes are solid. Pretty happy with the brakes they put on here. Oh, could get a heat striker. There we go. Show you where the Bonnell really excels, and that's taking the fire trail straight back to the top. Not the up trails, not ruining the down trails, but the fire trail
straight back up, getting, you're probably more than double the amount of runs you could do in a day just by hitting the fire trail, getting up there quicker. And you're not hurting anyone or any trails. Look at that. Straight back to the top, ready to go again. Let's go. Blue tongue. Dropping. Starts off with a few tight switchbacks. A little rock. Very tight. Open it up into a little trail. Little flowy one. Inside, outside, inside. Whoa. Oh, oh yeah. Oh, that's a big rock in the way. Oh, it's a terrible rock garden. I hate rock gardens. Got past there. There's 2 jumps here, 2 tabletops. 1, 2, clean. Flowtopia, dropping. Over jump that one a little bit. A little too much speed. Nice little berm cuts in there. Oh, that berm's nice.
That's going to wrap up today's video. It's just started to rain. It's about to pour down again. Bonnell has been sick. Need to fine tune that suspension a bit more. But apart from that, she's sick. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.